डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज हम क्लास 8 ज्योग्राफी के लेसन 4 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स देखेंगे। तो चलिए बिना देरी किए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट है, लाइक देयर आर लैंडफॉर्म्स ऑन लैंड, ओशन फ्लोर आल्सो हैज सबमर्ज्ड लैंडफॉर्म्स बिकॉज। इसका आंसर है, दो लैंड इज कंटिन्यूअस इट्स लेवल इज नॉट द सेम एवरीवेयर लाइक दैट ऑफ वाटर। Next, which part of the ocean floor is most useful to the man? इसका आंसर है continental shelf. Next, which one of the following option is related to the marine deposit? इसका आंसर है volcanic ash, lava, fine particles of soil. Question 2. Name the landform shown in the figure. First है submerged hills and mountains. Second है mid oceanic ridge. थर्ड है अबीसल प्लेन. फोर्थ है मरीन ट्रेंच. फिफ्थ है कॉन्टिनेंटल स्लोप. सिक्स्थ है कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ दिस लैंडफॉर्म इज यूजफुल फॉर डीप सी रिसर्च? इसका आंसर है सबमरीन प्लेट्यू एंड मरीन ट्रेंच आर द लैंडफॉर्म यूजफुल फॉर डीप सी रिसर्च. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ दिस आर appropriate to be used for the protection of marine borders and naval base building? इसका आंसर है कॉन्टिनेंटल शेल्फ इज appropriate to be used for the protection of marine borders and naval base building. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, गिव ज्योग्राफिकल रीजन. फर्स्ट है, द स्टडी ऑफ ओशन फ्लोर इज यूजफुल टू मैन. आंसर है, द लैंड सबमर्ज बिलो द ओशनिक वाटर is called the ocean floor. The ocean floor relief consists of all submerged landforms. The continental shelf is very important from the point of view of humans. It has extensive fishing grounds and abundant resources like natural gas, mineral oil, and various minerals can be obtained by mining the continental shelf. The mid-oceanic submerged hills and marine trenches are geologically the most active areas of the ocean bed in the world. There are many active volcanoes here. These areas are also earthquake-prone areas. Earthquake and volcanic eruptions occurring in the ocean bed give rise to tsunamis in nearby coastal areas. Next, the continental shelf is a paradise for fishing activity. Answer है, the land near the coast submerged under the sea is called continental shelf. This is the shallowest part of the ocean bed. As this part is shallow, sunlight reaches its bed. Algae, plankton, etc., which grow here are fish food. Fishes come to eat it. Therefore, the continental shelf is a paradise for fishing activity. Next, submarine islands are actually the peaks of sea mountains. Answer है, the hills and mountains found on the ocean bed are called submerged hills and mountains. These hills are hundreds of kilometers wide and thousands of kilometers long. Peaks of few submerged hills reach above the sea level and are visible as marine islands. For example, Iceland in Atlantic Ocean, Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal, etc. The submarine islands are actually the peaks of sea mountains. Next question. The continental slope is considered to be the boundary of continents. Answer है, once the extent of continental shelf ends, the slope of the seabed becomes steeper, which is called as a continental slope. The depth of the slope is from 200 meter to 3600 meter. In some places it is more. The continental slope is narrow and its lower boundary is considered to be the boundary of the continent. Next question. The disposal of waste materials in the oceans by man is harmful to the environment. Answer है, deposition of many materials coming from land keeps occurring in the seas and oceans. This is in the form of natural deposits and sediments, but man disposes waste materials in the sea like sewage, solid waste, radioactive material, waste, chemical, plastic, etc., which pose a danger to the ocean bed and seawater hydrosphere. Moreover, they are extremely harmful to the marine life and environment. Therefore, the disposal of waste material in the oceans by man is harmful to the environment. Fourth question. Observe the map on page 27. Give it a try and answer the following questions. First है Madagascar and Sri Lanka are related to which landform of the ocean floor? Answer है both Madagascar and Sri Lanka are marine islands. Next, near which continent are these landforms located? Answer है Sri Lanka is located near the continent of Asia, whereas Madagascar is located near in the continent of Africa. Next, which islands in our country are examples of peaks of submerged mountains? Answer है Andaman and Nicobar Islands are examples of peaks of submerged mountains. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ हमारा चैप्टर 4 कंप्लीट हो गया है. अगर आपको वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.